Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who values a smile that shines as brightly as your personality, this review might just be the next step in your journey. Today, we're looking at the Rtauys S5 upgraded sonic electric toothbrush, designed for both adults and kids 12 and up. This toothbrush is packed with features that promise to elevate your oral care routine. But does it really deliver? Let's break it down. First off, this toothbrush uses a powerful sonic cleaning technology, vibrating at up to 42,000 VPM. What does that mean for you? Simply put, it offers a deeper clean than most manual brushing can provide, removing up to 125% more plaque and whitening your teeth. The bristles are soft and flexible, adapting to the shape of each tooth, while the upgraded DuPont brush heads ensure quality and longevity. The fact that it includes 8 brush heads, 2 sensitive ones, and 6 cleaning heads, sets this product apart from others in its category. With these brush heads, you're set for a couple of years of brushing without needing a refill. One of the standout features here is its impressive 120-day battery life. Yes, you heard that right. On a full 2.5-hour charge, this toothbrush will last up to 4 months, which is great for travel or anyone who doesn't want the hassle of frequent recharging. Plus, it has an ultra-fast USB-C charging option and comes with a travel case, which makes it super convenient for on-the-go use. But how does it feel in use? The Rtauys S5 has 5 brushing modes: clean, sensitive, whitening, polishing, and massage. Each mode serves a specific need, whether you're tackling daily plaque, whitening teeth, or giving your gums a little extra care. The brush also comes with a smart timer that divides the 2-minute brushing time into 30-second intervals, making sure you're giving every part of your mouth the attention it needs. However, let's talk about the design and usability for a moment. The toothbrush has an IPX7 waterproof rating, which means it can be submerged in water for up to 30 minutes without any issues. It's a nice touch for anyone who tends to use their toothbrush in the shower or is concerned about water damage. In terms of pros and cons, here's what I've found. On the plus side, the battery life is outstanding, the multiple brush modes are a definite bonus, and the waterproof design is perfect for convenience. The only downside I noticed is that while the brush heads are great quality, you do need to replace them every 3 months, which could add to the overall cost over time. Now let's talk value for money. At first glance, it might seem like a hefty investment for an electric toothbrush, but when you factor in the quality of the brush heads, the long-lasting battery life, and the overall convenience, it's not a bad deal. The 120-day battery life alone makes this a solid choice for frequent travelers, and the 5 brushing modes ensure it works for just about every oral care need. If you're comparing this to other toothbrushes in the same price range, the Rtauys S5 stands out with its longevity and extra features, especially the multiple modes and the included travel case. However, if you're looking for something simpler or more budget-friendly, you might find alternatives that fit your needs. There are other good options out there, but this one offers great overall value for its price. As for build quality, the design feels solid and the brush itself is lightweight and easy to handle. The brush heads fit snugly, and the included travel case is both practical and protective. There's nothing flimsy about this toothbrush. It feels well made and built to last. Now let's take a moment to engage. Is this review helping you decide whether this is the right toothbrush for you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you'll be the first to see more reviews like this. Your support helps us keep creating honest, in-depth reviews for beauty lovers like you. And if you're ready to try the Rtauys S5, the link is in the comments below. Customer service for this product seems to be top-notch. The company offers prompt and friendly support, and if you have any issues, they'll help you even after the return window closes, which is reassuring. As for updates, there doesn't seem to be any major changes to the product recently, but if you're eyeing the latest model, this is the one to grab. If the price is a bit too high for your budget, there are alternatives out there that might suit you better. Many toothbrushes offer similar features at a lower price, though they might not match the Rtauys S5's longevity and multifunctional design. So my final verdict? The Rtauys S5 Sonic Electric Toothbrush is an impressive option for anyone looking to elevate their oral care routine with an effective, convenient, and durable tool. If you're willing to invest in a quality toothbrush that offers exceptional cleaning, battery life, and design, this one is worth considering. Thank you so much for watching. If you've already tried the Rtauys S5, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out.